In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use write function in Google Sheets. This simple tool is perfect for pulling a set number of characters from the end of a cell, whether you're trimming a code, grabbing the last few digits of an ID, or isolating a suffix from a longer string. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, what to type, and how to think about the result so you get clean, predictable outcomes every time. First, decide where you want the extracted text to appear and click that target cell. It's usually best to place the result in a separate column from your original data so you can compare and confirm the output easily. Think of this as your display cell. This is where your clean trimmed text will land. Next, identify the source, the cell that contains the full string you want to trim from the right. For example, if your text is in A1, that will be your reference. The key idea here is that your formula will point back to this source cell, so when A1 changes, your extracted result updates automatically. This linkage keeps your sheet flexible and saves you from retyping anything. Now, decide how many characters you want from the far right. This number is important because it tells Google Sheets exactly how much to pull. Every character counts, including spaces, hyphens, and punctuation. If you choose 3, you'll get the last 3 characters. If you choose a number larger than the length of the text, Google Sheets simply returns the entire string, no error. If you set the number to 0, you'll get a blank result. Negative numbers aren't allowed and will cause an error. With that decided, enter your formula in the target cell. Type write A1 3 to extract the last 3 characters from A1. Replace A1 with your actual source cell and change 3 to the number of characters you want. Press enter to see the result. For example, if A1 contains INV 2025 00123 and you use it write A1 5, the output will be 00123. If your source contains numbers, write treats them as text for extraction, which is great when you need consistent formatting like leading zeros. That's all there is to it. Choose your result cell, reference your source, decide the count, and use the write function to pull exactly what you need from the end of your text. Adjust the second argument anytime you want more or fewer characters, and you'll have precise, repeatable results across your data.